Hey, welcome back, guys. So today or yesterday, I received a care package from Motivation USA. Those guys are awesome. I can tell you that they send stuff out real quick. I got a bunch of stuff. I also got this bad boy. So these are the dual carbon exhaust mufflers. They're just the slip-ons. So I can't wait to put these on. Picked up an UpMap from Pro Italia. That's where I got the bike from, and those guys are the absolute best when it comes to Ducati dealerships. So what do I have? I got the radiator covers and protectors from Evotech, oil cooler protectors, all that jazz. Got the timing inspect cover from Ducabike, as well as the water pump, their heel guards, and their frame plugs for now. I'm gonna slap these on. I'm not gonna make any install videos on a lot of this stuff because it's already on YouTube, so it's kind of pointless. They've been around for a while. But yeah, once I put them on, I'll show you guys. Hey, welcome back, guys. So I installed the goodies that I got the other day from Motivation USA. And I'll start with the Evotech radiator, engine, and oil cooler guards. So here's what they look like. It was a pretty simple install. Maybe took me 20 minutes, took my time. Everything looks good, everything's on point. Man, these look good. And they add a little bit of protection, whatever you want to say, that's fine. I also got these CNC screws for the front end, just to kind of give it a little bit more contrast against the carbon fiber. And I actually got those from CNC Racing directly. What else? Got the Ducabike heel guards, installed those last night as well. Those were super easy and also save you a ton of weight because those passenger pegs are actually pretty heavy when I compare them to these heel guards. So that's what the other side looks like. Also installed the Ducabike carbon fiber timing cover, as well as the water pump guard. I want it in black. I don't want too much red because the trellis frame's already red and the colorway, so I want to be a little subtle and not just have red everywhere. I'm not the biggest fan of red anyways, but love the way things turned out. The other thing that I'm going to be doing right now is swapping out this handlebar clamp for a CNC Racing one. And this one is red, so check this out. And here's what it looks like. So that's what it's going to look like on top. So put on the handlebar clamp from CNC Racing. There it is. Love the way this looks. And for the finale, put these bad boys on. Fit and finish looks perfect. Looks so good. I haven't started yet, so I don't even know what it sounds like. But I also got the UpMap, so I'm going to download the map for these slip-ons and see how the bike performs. Thanks again, guys. Cheers.